First, verify AT&T Internet Air availability at your address using the AT&T website or app to confirm 5G coverage. Upon receiving your kit, which includes the antenna, router, cables, and mounting hardware, prepare for installation. The most critical step is antenna placement. Use the app's Signal Finder to locate the best spot with a clear line of sight to the nearest AT&T tower, typically within 1 to 5 miles. Mount the antenna securely on a wall or pole for stability. Finally, connect the Ethernet cable from the antenna to the indoor router to establish the connection. Position the router indoors in a central location for optimal Wi-Fi coverage. Ensure it's near a power outlet and has a clear space around it. Power on the router by connecting it to electricity and pressing the power button. The router will start up and lights will indicate it's working. Connect your devices via Ethernet cable for a stable connection. Plug one end into the router's LAN port and the other into your device. For Wi-Fi connection, find the network name on the router label, usually starting with AT&T XXXX. Connect your device to this network. Download the AT&T app from your device's app store. Open it and follow the prompts to set up your account. Scan the QR code on the router using the app to activate your service. This links your router to your AT&T account. Through the app, customize your Wi-Fi password and other settings. Set a strong password to secure your network. If you encounter issues, reset the router using the reset button on the back panel. Hold it for 10 seconds until lights flash. Contact AT&T support through the app or website for help. Use the app to test signal strength and run diagnostics to identify problems. If you prefer, professional installation is available for a fee. AT&T technicians will handle the entire setup process for you.